Hi guys! Today I'm making a video because I'm going to Tasmania very soon. So I'm going to make a video about what I'm going to wear and the necessities that you need to take, seriously. So I hope you like it. For the plane, I'm taking my big spacious bag that I bought from Target for $40. Well, the necessities to take on a plane would, for me, probably be basic makeup kit, a jumper because it can get pretty cold. I'm taking my charger, but that's only because I'm gonna take my bag and use it for other things too. I'm gonna take a few phone covers. My phone, of course, my necessity. Earphones so you can listen to music on the plane. And last of all, magazines. So if you get bored, you can read a magazine, because I'm not a book person, I like magazines instead. So I hope that was helpful. Well, for my hair, I'm just going to do a bun. Just a nice quick bun because it's nice and comfortable. And then I'm just going to put a bow.
Something that is no good. She said she only had a meeting, but she is dressed for something. Something that is no good. Now I'm not saying that she's cheap.
I've got my DIY top, which is just a men's top and you cut off the sleeves and then just button it all up, and some comfy leggings. And also my Vans. So I'm off and ready. See ya!